Hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can copy and paste any graphical code into Turbo C++ compiler. Traditionally, Turbo C++ compiler does not allow you to paste your codes due to some limitations. The trick that I'm going to share with you will be useful if you want to paste any code and not have to manually type it. The only prerequisite is that your Turbo C++ compiler should be the latest Turbo C++ 3.2 version. Now let's start with the trick. What you need to do is we need to go to File Explorer. First, we'll take one code from here, an example code. We went to this PC and Windows C. Then we went to Program Users, and then here, and we take any one file. Here we have a .c++ extension file. We took this file and then we click on Copy. Next, we went to this PC. Okay, this PC. We have to go to the Turbo C folder destination. We went to Turbo C3. Then we went into projects, and then here we have to paste this. Okay, where is this? Okay, we have to paste this file. So we have pasted the file which we copied, which has codes in it. Okay, and the next step is opening the Turbo C++ app. You need to click on Start Turbo C++. With your cursor, go to the top left, click on File, click on Open, and here, as you can see, this is one path given over here. You need to remember what extension your file was. First, traditionally here, instead of projects, it will be written bin. So what you need to do is you need to click on this icon over here, where you see where my cursor is. You click here, then click on enter. So you will be directed to the Turbo C3 file directory. From here you have to go to projects and then click on enter and choose your file. For example, if I have to choose a CPP file, I will go over here and then just type .c and then click on open. So whichever .c files are in my projects directory will show over here, but we need our .cpp to access a .cpp file. So we write cpp in caps lock and click on open. Here we get our file, which is PDA1. Click on that file and then we click on open. As you can see, the file has successfully opened and everything is intact. Now let's try and run this file. As you can see, the code is working perfectly fine and I did not have to write a single thing manually. So with this, you can easily copy and paste any code and use it in your Turbo C++ compiler. Thanks for watching.